Hi my lovely bakers, welcome to Dolce Senso Fun Bakery. My name is Gigi and today I'll show you how to make delicious, very easy, vegan chocolate cupcakes. So, in your box you have all dry ingredients supplied, and basically that's almost everything what you need for your vegan cupcakes. The only ingredients which you need before you start making, and they are not supplied in the box, it's milk, oil and white vinegar. If you don't have white vinegar, it's completely fine to use any vinegar or just lemon juice. The packs are labeled with number 1, 2 or 3, and in the recipe you just need to see which pack you need to add first and then second, and that will be very easy for your future cupcakes making. But today you watch me how I'm making and just you follow the instructions. I promise it's very easy, very simple, and every time when you make these cupcakes, you impress your guests. They'll think you're pro in cupcake making and decorating. So let's start. The first part in the cupcake making is we need to add the flour into the bowl. We need cocoa powder, pack number 2, and before we add pack number 3, we'll just give a good stir to make sure all the lumps and hard parts are mixed and combined together. If you want, you can sieve the ingredients, and for you it will be much easier to avoid the lumps. So we don't need to mix a lot, it's just a really good stir is enough. Then we add the pack number 3, which is the brown sugar. So, do you know why we use brown sugar instead of white sugar? Yes, that's right. Brown sugar is a healthier option and replaces very good the white sugar. It has this caramel taste, and the sweetness is exactly the same as the white sugar. Every time when you have the options to choose between white or brown sugar, please choose the brown sugar. It's healthier for you and your mom will be so happy. So when you add number 3, pack number 3, just give again a good stir, and you have all dry ingredients in the bowl, and they smell so delicious because the cocoa powder has this chocolate taste and smell, which is, I bet every child, or actually every person, loves this chocolate smell. So you can use a mixer to make these cupcakes, but also a whisker is completely fine. Even a fork, if you don't have it, it will make the same job. So once it's combined, we need to add the milk. I have pre-measured already, and this is what I'm advising you as well. Before you start making any recipe, make sure all the ingredients are on the table, pre-measured for you. Either you can ask your parents to help you with measuring the ingredients, or If you're old enough and you know how to do it by yourself before start mixing it. So the next is to add the oil. You can use any vegetable oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, it's perfectly fine. And we need also vinegar. Now you ask me, why vinegar? Do you know why actually? Vinegar, we need to activate the soda which was supplied already in a pack 1 with the flour. The difference, so baking soda is a rising agent. It helps our cupcakes or cakes to rise, but to get activated we need some acids, and vinegar is one really very strong acid. You can watch one of my videos about the baking soda experiment, and then you be able to understand better the chemical reactions and why every time when we use baking soda we need acids. So let's add the vinegar and then give again a good stir. Don't worry, your cupcakes will not be sour. This is a really very small amount and it's added only because we need to activate the baking soda. So now we need to really do a very good stir, but don't over mix it, otherwise your cupcakes will be tender and not so fluffy. So make sure you scrub the walls and mix and combine all the ingredients. So the mixture is ready. I told you it's a really very quick and easy recipe, but I promise you'll keep it forever because that is easy and yummy makes that recipe great. So once we are ready, we need to arrange the supplied cupcake cases, and we can use just any cupcake tin. Just so. Okay, just arrange them in the tin and start pouring the mixture. I'm using the ice scooper, but you can use any spoons, and fill the cases 2/3. Don't overfill it because the cupcakes need some space to rise, and if you overfill it, there will be not enough, and either they'll go out from the case or they'll just sink, because how I said that if there is not enough space to grow. So let's start adding. Okay, we need to bake the cupcakes for around 20 minutes on 180 degrees. And always when you bake cakes or cupcakes, you need to preheat the oven and then put the tin inside. for the cakes, when they go inside the oven, the temperature has to be already warm, hot. So okay, let's add some more because there's still some of the mixture left in the bowl. So okay, almost done. And it should look like this. Just leave some space to grow and bake it for around 20 minutes. Or if you're not sure if they're ready, just take a toothpick, insert inside in the middle, in the center, and take it out. If the toothpick is clean, that means the cupcakes are ready, and just take it out from the oven and leave it on the cooling rack or just somewhere to cool down before decorating. So let's bake now and see you in part 2 with the cupcake decoration.